Oh, good morning, y'all. Day two of being in Houston, Texas after Hurricane Ida. I'm about to say Isaac. I almost said Hurricane Katrina. So, anyway, it's early in the morning. Nobody wants to be on the show when they dress a certain way, you know. So, here we go. It was a party yesterday, and it's gonna be a party again today. Yep. Domino haven't complained since I've been here. You know, been in that hot toaster oven for hours at a time, for days at a time. You know, now it feels good to be in the be in the refrigerator instead of in the in the hot oven. You know, I mean, this is a beautiful home, and I want to tell y'all something. It's not good to be jealous of a person's success. You cannot be jealous of a person's success. Okay? All right. So I don't know who's watching this. Okay. Oh, so somebody asked me am I home. Oh, somebody asked me if I'm home. No, I'm in Houston, Texas. You must have caught my video when I was when I kept recording because at the beginning I said I was in Houston, Texas. So I got power in my house. And ladies and gentlemen, especially you that's watching this, I got power in my house. So somebody messaged me here on Facebook, well, there on Facebook, saying I have power in my house. I haven't found out I have power in my house until I got here in this house, and I had to charge my phone. Yeah. So yeah, this is TV. Just don't look like my house. So all right. Somebody say thank you, and I say you're welcome. So, not the higher author or whatever. I watch too much Marcus the Magnificent on YouTube though. Mainly those are old shows. Okay, so 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 family, friends, whoever else is watching this. Okay, all right. Oh, it fell. All right, all right. So, all right. I sure wish Dianca was watching though. Should I I'm gonna try to tag her. Let me see if I can tag her. Let me see. Bring someone on camera. Okay. I want the. Oh, good morning, Tasha. Sorry for being rude. You're not on camera, yeah? She's not gonna be on camera just like that. So let me see. Oh, okay then. Because we don't deal with no one couple like me. Right, friends. Yeah, we got it out the cash. I just. Oh, all right. It look like you never used it. Look, Randy. Oh, your mama gave you that? I don't know why I pressed the invite button. Okay, Johnny, we gonna take care of it. All right, now go back to work and we ain't gonna bother you till you get off. Huh? Yay. All right. Oh, all right. Well, I'm about to go. Me and him are going to see if he's going to go outside and sit. I'm going to get her. All right, so. No, he can go in that other room. But he know in that community room. No,
right there when you go up the steps. In that big space. In that big space. Oh, okay.
Alright, so
community
room.
But he good, John.
Community room.
All right then. Oh no, he down here with us now. I can fed him some waffles and all that. He waited. It's just to get cold.
Like friends.
He waiting on his steps to get cold.
Checking.
But Johnny, okay, let me go so I can tend to him. I'm gonna holler at you. Okay. All right.
Oh, good morning, Terry.
Now I think.
Good morning, Terry. You all right?
I want to tell him. I think. Yeah, you look good, so I think
so,
you should be designated to do some breakfast if y'all want breakfast.
All right.
They got pork links, I bought bacon.
Oh, good morning, Desiree.
Huh? They got grits.
But, all right, y'all.
Twins.
Huh?
You see that down at work and on the clock. I can't do all that on the clock.
I know. So,
You know I already did all that. This family, I do.
Right.
Well, Brian don't eat pound cake, I don't think. Do he? You want pound cake, Brian?
You want pound cake? Look. This. Gonna be. I'm saying what he don't eat.
I didn't know that.
No, because you don't give it to him. That's why.
What's my name?
All right, so.
What's her name?
What's her name?
He's been a long time.
Terry.
Terry.
That's better. So. This is y'all know what that is. Yeah, y'all already know that we twins. If y'all watch my videos or whatever. So anyway, let me. So as I was saying, y'all, I'm happy being here, and I'm glad and stuff like that. And I love Houston, Texas. So far, so good. I love the people in too, and that I haven't met yet. You know, Houston is a beautiful place. You know, and y'all know Randy TV is here. I don't think he gonna broadcast nothing when he here. He ain't gonna do no show with his ugly self.
Okay, good.
And I don't think Randy gonna do his show with his ugly self.
You want to come?
With his ugly self. Huh?
Hold this and open it.
Okay. I'm a hold. Oh, that's the computer talking. Yeah, so well, not the computer though. You know. All right, so I'ma talk to y'all later and stuff like that. So that's all I'ma say. So goodbye.